Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the air cleaner cover. And what I'm using here basically is a 1/2-inch drive. One is a nomenclature T27 and the other is a T50. We're going to use the T27 to remove the front bolt cover. I'm sorry, the T50. Next, we're going to remove the 3 screws here from this housing. This is where we use the T227. And next we're going to pull off the breather tube so that we can get to the housing screws there. These screws here. So we should just be able to pull those right off. Actually, we're going to take this and it's going to bolt on in this direction. Definitely don't want to tighten these too tight. Now, just line up the filter.